Morning. Today we are in Belgium, in the port of Zeebrugge. I look as though I'm half asleep, but I'm not. I'm feeling fine. I just had a shower, so I look a bit rough, I must admit. But
so's anyone else saying it.
yeah. So let's show you what it looks like in the port of Zeebrugge this morning.
What's it like out there?
Yes, overcast and wet. And by all accounts, it was quite windy during the night. The
I
captain
didn't know whether they were going to
no.
be able to moor it.
The captain had a job mooring the ship alongside, by all accounts. Today we're going into Bruges. We've got a tour bus that's just taking us into Bruges, and then we do our own thing for half a day. But as always, it's breakfast first, so we shall see you later.
So, Brian, what are you doing? Packing those...
Packing as usual.
Yeah.
I pack, unpack.
He packs and unpacks because he reckons he can do a better job than moi. So I'll let him crack on.
So we're going on a trip in a minute, but we thought let's try and get some of this done. And this is a good thing about having this, at least we've got somewhere to keep these cases out of the way.
That's it. But, and then we'll do the rest later on, shall we? Yeah. Okay then. Let's get going in a minute, so we haven't got long. Bye.
So we've just got off the coach in Bruges, walking along the river to the centre. Hopefully we won't get lost. Go on, go for it. It's coming after you, look. Go on, peck her on the nose. Yes. That's right. It's very breezy today. Lovely horse, that one.
Yeah, I like that one. Watch out the way, watch out. And then on back.
Find somewhere for lunch, and I thought, oh, this looks appropriate. Look at all this chocolate. Jade, are you watching? Putting a few more ounces on by the second, looking at this. Into the main square. How lovely does this look? Oh look, she's found someone else. Look. She's been trying to pinch his chips.
Got any mustard on them? Got any mustard on them?
Last time we were in Bruges, we visited this restaurant here, and we had the most miserablest barman that you could wish to have. So we're going to try again, and hopefully he's going to, if he's here, he'll be a bit more cheerful.
Just come in for the coffee in here. Looks very civilised. Shall we sit up on these?
Let's sit up here.
What have you ordered?
Hot chocolate.
Look what we got in there.
No.
Oh, don't.
Chocolate latte and little bits of chocolate as well.
Nice chocolate. I like the white ones.
Yeah, you've got the big spoon.
Is that why you do it?
Yeah.
It's not happened yet. Very nice. Never change.
Yes.
What's that like? Nice?
Sorry? Enough.
Candle?
Yes, she's been in church again. She's
Candle.
lit
Did
her
it
candle.
wrong, but there you go.
She did it all wrong, but she put her money in and did her candle. That's the main thing.
So it's just gone in this waffle shop. And what have you got?
Milk chocolate,
Yeah.
chocolate pearls, and I'm
Oh.
going to make a right mess.
Last time, what was the one you had before?
I can't remember.
No, I can't remember. I thought you was going to have the Belgium cookie
No,
one.
I'm having this.
You just had
I'd
some
like
then.
to change my mind.
You changed your mind. I'm not going to have one. I'm not love all waffles on a stick. But there you go. I'll have some wine instead later. You're going to get in a right mess with that, aren't you?
Please, don't you have one, whatever you do.
No,
Please.
I'm going to resist having one.
We're in the Christmas shop.
I've only got another 11 months.
Yes. 10 months ago.
I'll start early.
Yes. Oh, I like him up there, Santa with a guitar.
With the glasses.
Yeah, he looks pretty cool, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I should imagine he's a cool price. I brought you over here to show how much I love you with all my heart. And there it is. So what do you think of that? Pardon? You're not,
sick bowl.
you're not impressed with my romantic side? Right, you can climb up there, I do believe. So off you go. Chocolate. Chocolate everywhere. Now that's what I'll get for you. Look, I'll get you that one. My love, I'll get you that. definitely. And then I'd eat the lot.
Can I explain?
Look at him up there, the size of him. What are you looking at?
Have they got something in them though? They got nuts in, or is it all chocolate?
Who knows?
I need to know.
I think beer is calling. This is where we got one before, Quack it was called. Look, it's the fastest she's moved today. Lovely, thank you very much. Cheers, thank you. Quack Belgium Beer, and it's very, very nice. Nice glass, isn't it?
It's nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
How cosy is this?
It's last time. Some of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, oh, really nice.
So we're in the Quays. I've just had 2 lots of katsu curry and stir fry and chips. So I've made a right pig of myself. It's quite busy in here, as you can see.
It was nice. You didn't have enough from the American grill though.
No, there's the American grill, it's the only one I haven't tried.
Save that for next time we come.
Yeah, it's nice food though, really nice.
It is nice food. Fish and chips is the best.
Yeah.
Hot ones, vinegar, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's the best. Nice chips, nice fish, gherkins, pickled onions, a mushy pea.
So anyway, that's the end of eating. Till the breakfast tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
This is the calm before the storm. Look how tranquil everywhere is. Nice piano player going. In a couple of hours there'll be chaos with the silent disco going. Well then.
Just wanna have fun. Just wanna have fun.
Somebody who loves me. I don't know any more of the world. So that's it. The cruise is over. We are now back in. Certainly not sunny, but we're back in.
It won't be. It's still dark.
Yeah, well, we're back in Southampton.
How quick's that week gone?
Yeah, cases are all nearly packed.
Yep.
So thank you to P&O for this upgrade, which was greatly appreciated.
It really was. I love that conservative.
We really enjoyed this cabin, which is going to spoil us now.
I've got my slippers.
Yeah, that's just one
Well,
thing.
you couldn't.
I had to take all the coat hangers off last night.
Oh yeah.
On the way back here, because they were rattling around like anything was getting on my nerves. Kept me awake.
Instead of me snoring.
So did you enjoy it?
Yes, I did. It's brilliant.
Been really good, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Few issues, but
yeah, but nothing.
Nothing
too much. And then
it has made our mind up
I
about.
love the silent disco.
Has made our mind up about drinks packages now. I don't think we'll.
No, I'm not going to bother with that.
We'll bother on the next one.
No,
we
not
did
gonna
have a
bother
job
with that.
getting served in certain places,
We did.
so we don't think we get our money's worth.
No.
But I nearly said all in all then.
All in all.
But we've had a really good time. So now it's breakfast, and then we've got to get off
And
the
then
ship.
head home, and then be back again.
Washing and diet, because we're back on in 4 weeks' time. Yeah. Right, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.